Hi everyone! So the other day I was cruising around on Pinterest and I saw these like little skull angels and I thought they were so cute. So we are going to try to recreate them today. So I posted some stuff that I thought would work. I have my bead caps, I have some rhinestone spacers, I have my pack of wings right here. And then I luckily found my box of like skulls over here. And then I have my head pins. So, you know what I just thought about? I didn't bring anything for the body. Okay, let me grab something because I need a bead for the body part. Okay, I went looking for like flower beads and of course I could not find them at all. And watch, as soon as I'm done and I go put all this stuff away, it's gonna be like right there where I was looking. Like that always happens to me. I say, oh, the ghost was hiding it from me because it was like I looked everywhere and then it just magically shows up. So anyways, let's just get started. So I'm gonna take my largest head pin that I have. And let's see if it's large enough. Hopefully it is. So I just pulled out some random round beads that I had that I thought were colorful that would go with the different colorful skulls. So let's see. Will these stay? Yes, it will. Oh, nope, it won't. Oh, bummer. Okay. So when my head pin slides through my bead hole, I'll do one of two things. I'll put a sequence, which I did not bring out with me, or I'll put a bead cap to help stop it. So today we're going to go the bead cap because that's what I have right now with me. So we're going to put the bead cap, we're going to put the bead. Oh, and then I forgot to open these. And then we need our little angel wings here. So we're going to put down our wing. Let me take out a couple of those. I'm gonna put that there. Oh, that's actually cute. And then, should we mix up the skulls? Do we like the orange and blue, or should I do blue on blue? Let me see. I think I liked it better like mixed. Oh, there's a yellow here. I like yellow. I like yellow and blue. How funny. I actually think I like the orange better. Okay, we'll do this one. See, this is why I tell you guys all the time I don't do tutorials, because I'll take things off and redo it and mix and match. So then I'm going to put like his little halo on. And there we have our little angel skull. I think these are going to be so cute for like Day of the Dead theme. So you can close off your top of your head pin in one of two ways. You can wire wrap it around, or I call this a lazy method of just rolling it down. So this first one, I'm going to roll it down. So I'm going to stick the wire in between my pliers and just literally roll the wire on down. Just like that. So you see it's just got a couple little spirals to it. And then there is our first little skull angel. This is going to be so cute for like Dia de los Muertos. They're going to be so adorable. So let's do another one. And then I want to try another one with a bead cap instead. So I am going to pick up one of my bead caps here. Put that on so that way I make sure my bead doesn't fall out. I'll go with the blue again. Let's just stick with blue. And then I think these heads are actually smaller than the bead, right? How do we like that? Maybe we'll try that one. So let's get our wings. We'll put our wing on. We'll put our skull on. Actually, I don't think that looks too bad with the bigger like body. I think that looks okay. And then let's see what bead cap do we want to do. I wish I had like little crowns. I think that would be really cute. Like you're crowning the skull. So there's like that one, I kind of like it. That's kind of like a little crown. And let's see, what else do I have? This one's like a flower, kind of a bead cap. Let's see. Oh, I think this one's too big. I think this one will be better for the larger skull. Oh yeah, see, it kind of like covers his eyes, but I kind of like it. It's kind of cool. Yeah, I think we'll stick with that one. I think it's interesting. Okay, so to wire wrap, you're going to pinch your wire between your pliers. You're going to bend it back at a 90-degree angle. Then you're going to turn your pliers so they are now stacked on top of each other. You're going to grab your wire, swing it around. So it now kind of looks like a little earring hook. You're going to take your little pliers out. You're going to stick your bottom round plier into your little loop, and then you're going to need your other flat pliers and just go ahead and start twisting that around. Can I get that to go? There we go. My circle looks awful. I don't know what happened there. There we go. Just had to tighten that up. Okay, then you're going to use your pliers and just start twirling it around. Just spin, spin, spin around until you are all done and there is no more wire. So let's do, ooh, this came out awful. Oh my goodness. I think this type of metal, whatever this head pin's made out of, it just did not want to bend around and cooperate, but that's kind of what it's supposed to look like right there. So there's that guy done. I think I'll make a couple more and then I'll come back and show you guys. Okay, so I made a couple more here. So these were really fun to make. I do have 3 different size skulls that I used. So here is my tiny little skull, my medium one, and then here is the larger one. So yeah, I don't know what's up with these head pins, but rolling it was easier than trying to wire wrap it. So you know, just depending on what you have, you know, on the metal, how thick it is and how flexible it is, you could wire wrap either way. But that's our little video for today. If you guys ever have any tutorials that you want done, just let me know and I'll add it to my list and I will make it as soon as I can. And if you're curious to where I got most of these beads, they are from Michael's. So I have 2 different pumpkins here, these, and then these little skulls were from there as well. And these little candy corn, I believe, were from there as well. But I know Joanne sells these too. So yeah, but that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day and we'll see you later. Bye guys.